Good keyword research and ranking on Amazon go hand in hand. Hey, this is Nick Hodge with Sellers Arena. In this video, I'm going to show you not only how you can use Helium 10 to find really good quality keywords to target in your PPC campaigns, but also how you can track your progress so you can know if you are actually starting to begin to rank higher from your PPC efforts. So jumping right in here, guys, but I just want to emphasize again the importance of this because a lot of you guys are just are not doing really good research when you're actually deciding what keywords to put in your PPC campaigns. Maybe you're just throwing a handful into a broad match campaign and just seeing what happens. And you're also not really benchmarking, where you're starting from with your product and where you're ending up later. At the end of this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Helium 10's keyword tracker to just track these. So let's jump right in here. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm using vitamin C with zinc as a sample product. We're going to use Helium 10's X-ray tool. Let me open this up here. And I think I've already got these. Yeah, I've already got the top 10 selected that are top 10 ranking on the page organically. And what we're going to do is go ahead and run a keyword search on these top 10 ranking competitors for this main keyword, vitamin C with zinc, so we can get a good idea of what kind of keywords these competitors are ranking for. And we're going to refine this even more here in a second using Cerebro. So clicking on this will take you right over to Cerebro and automatically enter in all of those ASINs in here. Makes it really simple and easy. And then from there, because right now, this is a pretty huge list of keywords. So it's like you probably use Helium 10 for maybe, or maybe not, but a lot of you might start and be like, you're going in Cerebro, you're dropping in the competitors, and you're like, well, how do I refine this down? What keywords do I pick? Well, that's the thing. So let's refine this down even more using the filters I have above so we don't have thousands and thousands of keywords that we're going to throw into a campaign. We want to refine this down a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and you can play around with this, but we're going to go ahead and say minimum, at least search volume of 500. Okay, so let's just read this here just to make sure. So that's estimated number of times this keyword phrase searched for monthly. Okay, then position rank. Okay, so we want to make sure position the first ASIN holds in Amazon search results. Okay, so we want that to be at least 60 or better, because the lower the rank is, the better. But on top of that, we're going to say ranking competitors count. So we want at least 9 other competitors. We want all these guys to at least be ranking together on each of those phrases that we're going to see down below after we filter. So number of competitor ASINs that ranked for the given phrase. So we want at least 9 of those ranking. Okay, so from there, we're going to go ahead and say apply filters. And then let's jump down and we can see, now we just have one page, 19 filtered keywords. So now we have a good set of solid keywords that we can then put into a PPC campaign. Now from there, we're going to take that list of keywords and export that data. And then we're going to drop them we're going to go over to Helium 10's keyword tracker. You're going to add your product. Okay, we'll just use a product that I already have added for now, just as an example. And then you're going to add your list of keywords. Okay, and then again, what this is going to do is you're going to be able to see your current rank for everything before you get started, where you're ranking for your product right now across that keyword list. And then you're going to be able to track this over time to see if you're actually making progress with your PPC campaigns, if you're actually making progress in ranking higher for each of these particular keywords that are important to you. Now, beyond that, if for some reason you're seeing you're not making progress on a keyword, it's still really expensive, then you can look at maybe targeting that keyword differently. Maybe it's not working so well. For example, the sponsored product exact match campaign that you have running. Maybe you try moving it completely out of sponsored products into a sponsored brand headline ad and trying that keyword out there to see if it performs a little better, see if you can start gaining some rank there. Or maybe you change the different type to a different type of sponsored product ad campaign, like a modified broad match campaign. And maybe you even discover some new variations of that keyword that work better for your product. But again, very relevant because it's a modified broad match. Be sure to check out the video I have down below about about modified broad match because not a lot of people even know about that type of campaign. Or another option is you could try running it in a sponsored brands video ad. All right, guys, I hope that helps you out and gives you some clarity on how you can actually use Helium 10 to find good keywords for your campaigns and track your ranking, track your progress as from your PPC efforts. If you have any questions or comments about the information I went over in the video, definitely put those down in the comments below. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.